Guys, welcome back to Floor Plan Friday and July's Plan of the Month. July is actually National Log Homes Month celebration, which is a celebration of our country's love for log homes. And what better to celebrate the National Log Homes Month with our signature kind of time-honored Prestwick design that was developed back in the mid to late 80s. This has been one of our most popular plans over the last really 30 years that we've been in business. And there are several reasons why. First and foremost, it is just such a traditional design. You can see the exterior view has that traditional two-story with the bump out off the back. The two-story has fireplaces flanking the left and right side. It's got that farm style look. It's suitable for a primary residence or a second home. It really just fits just about anywhere that you can put it. Great exterior look. What you see here is a synthetic shake roof. Natural stone fireplaces flanking both sides, which actually supports fireboxes in the master bedroom, the living room, the upstairs bedrooms, and then there is a third chimney in the rear of the home. So let's take a look at the floor plan and some of the features of this floor plan. First and foremost, it's got a master suite on the main, which is really important for our retirees wanting to live off the main floor and having those overflow bedrooms upstairs. So it's got a private suite with a walk-in closet, a good sized master bath, and then you've got your living family room and dining room. One great feature about this is that you've kind of got a secondary family room space that is connected to the kitchen and dining area, which is really important because most people are going to want to spend time, all your guests are going to want to be near the kitchen, close to the host who's usually in the kitchen cooking, and then you've got the dining room space really close by, and then you've kind of got a separate formal living room. This plan is similar to an old dog trot in the front where you had two pens, one on each side with an open space going to the rear of the house. We just basically did an enclosed foyer, and then we did a bump out off the back to take care of the kitchen, family room, dining room, and some of the utility spaces as well. It's got a half bath off the dining room. So this main floor is the ideal main floor living. As I said, it's got three fireplaces, which you can eliminate any or all of them if you want to, but it does have three chimneys, three fireplaces, and then it's got two upstairs. So there's actually 5 total fireboxes in the design. So let's take a look at the upstairs, which has great overflow bedrooms, 3 good size guest bedrooms, or if this is your primary residence and you've got a large family, this would be perfect for a family of 5 or 6 where you have some small kids. They can share a bedroom in bedroom 4, and then you've got some older kids that could have their own bedrooms. This is just an ideal plan. Or if you're building this as a second home and you've got a lot of kids and grandkids, the upstairs is perfect for that overflow space. 2 full baths, got a little loft area kind of overlooking the entry staircase, and it's got good storage space as well. So as I said, this can become really the ideal primary residence, retirement home, or second home to spend, large family gatherings and weekends in. So great plan. The Prestwick plan is about 3,294 square feet. There's about just shy of 1,700 square feet on the main. So very ample square footage. Lots of covered porches, which is ideal. You've got that large front covered porch, and then you've got the 2 on the sides, which the one in the back off the kitchen, a lot of our clients will turn that into a 4 Seasons room, or that can become a mud room, enclosure to a breezeway connecting to a garage. There's just been a lot of different designs and a lot of different modifications to this design that we've done over the last 30 plus years. So feel free to check those out on our website. In our gallery section, you can see some of the designs like the Ming project, which is a modified Prestwick, or Stevens. Check out all those in the gallery section on the website, and feel free to contact your sales consultant who can walk you through some of the design changes that you can do and some of the things that some of our other clients have done in the past. So hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for joining us for Floor Plan Friday and July's Plan of the Month. A happy 4th of July to everyone. Please stay safe and healthy and take care. We look forward to you joining us for more Plan of the Month and Floor Plan Friday in August. Take care.